So, hello guys, today our topic is about using percentages in Excel. So first we're gonna write here different numbers, and as you can see here in this row we're gonna write percentages, and of course the last one will give us results. So first of all, we're gonna make these numbers here more readable. We're gonna go here, and as you can see this button, I am highlighting it. I'm gonna press this button. Now we have our numbers in more readable form. First, I'm gonna explain you. Let's say that 20% is 0.2 and 70% is 0.7. So here we can say that 50% is, of course, 0.5. It's all about percentages. So first we're gonna write percentages here. We can write it in different forms and different versions. So I'm gonna firstly show you the first one of the options, how to write it. First we're gonna write, let's say I'm gonna do 20% of each number. I'm taking as an example 20%. First thing I'm gonna do is write, the first version is to writing 0.2. 0.2, and then we're gonna press enter. As you can see here, now we don't have any percentage. We have just number 0.2. To convert this 0.2 to 20 percentage, we're gonna write buttons Control Shift 5. Now, as you can see here, we have here 20%. The second version is to write just percentages. I'm gonna write 20 and then press the button Shift 5, the sign of person. And the third version, which is the most the easiest one, is to select these rows and then convert it to percent form. Here we have the sign of percentage. We're gonna press it. Now we have percent format, percentage format. Now we can just write any number. I took as an example 20%. That's why I'm gonna write 20. Enter. Then also 20. Enter. 20. Enter. It will automatically give the sign of person. And the last one, of course, is all about results. So we're gonna derive 20% from this 100. So to get the result, first thing we're gonna do is, of course, to press equal, sign of equal. Without it, we cannot calculate it. I'm pressing equal and then choosing that row in which I have that number. For example, this row is B4, and then I'm gonna I just chosen this one, and then I'm gonna multiply it to this person. The sign of multiplication is Shift 8, and then I'm gonna choose this row, and of course then we have enter. Oh, here we have 20. 20% of 100 is of course 20. Then we're gonna derive 20% from this number, from 999. Of course we're gonna write the sign of equal, then choose this row, and of course multiply it to 20% to this row. I'm gonna choose it and then press enter. Here we have result. 20% of this 999 is 199, as you can see here. That's why I really love Excel, because it can easily calculate different percentages from any number you want. Then we have version which can allow us to calculate it more easily, much more easily. So we're gonna press this one. What here, as you can see, is this formula. We're gonna press it, and here we have here small square. We're gonna go like this till the end, and it will immediately give us results. It is so easy. This version is so easy. So we don't have to write the sign of equal and then choose this row and then this row. It is really easy. And here we have already results. 20% of this number, as you can see here, equals to this one. And 20% of 415 is equal to 83. If you don't believe, you can just calculate by using calculator, but Excel is much more easier when especially we are dealing with a lot of numbers, with big amount of numbers. Here you can ask me why here we have these signs, and I'm gonna explain it because now in this row we have big numbers, so this row cannot fit it. So what we would do is to make it larger, to make it row more larger, and so then we can see the answers. Here, as you can see, I just made this row more larger, and now you can see the result of the last the last two calculations visibly. 20% of 100,000 is of course 20,000. And of course 20% of this number is equals to 20 million. So it is the end of our lesson. I hope you understand how to use percentages quite well, and you can easily calculate it using different numbers. So I would recommend you to, of course, revise it and try to do it by yourself using Excel and different numbers and calculate it. Here, as I showed you two different versions how to calculate it. First one is to write just this formula, and the next one was um, selecting this row, formula, and then just taking this square till the end, till the row you want to calculate. It is the end of our lessons. I hope you understand it well.